Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code with Shiv. In this video, we will learn how to print this pattern. So these types of pattern will be asked when you are attending the technical rounds of an interview. So let's check how we can print this pattern. So before going to code, first we analyze what are all the variables we require to print this pattern and how many rows and columns we have in this pattern. So if you can see from initial only we will be printing stars. We are not printing any space before the star. So we need to take a variable called star and uh, we need to count number of rows and columns. So if you are considering this example, we will be having around 9 rows and 5 columns. So if you are just observing this, so you can get it easily. Like here we have 5 stars, it means the 9 columns we will have, right? Sorry, 5 columns we will have and 9 rows we have, so 9 by 5 we will be having. So let's code this. So I'm creating a class here and giving the name as pattern 31, including the main method from here itself. Once it's done, I'm just taking a variable as per the analysis. I'm just taking a variable star here, and initially I'll be taking the value 1. Later, based on the requirement, I will change this value. So I will be take for loop. I will be take for loop here. This for loop is responsible to print number of rows. So I'm just giving 9 here because we have 9 rows in the pattern, and I'm taking one more for loop. This is responsible for this loop is responsible for printing the star. So here I'm taking, so every time a star is incrementing. So one more thing, like here whenever whenever the I value is less than or equals to 5, the star value is incrementing, and whenever the I value is decrementing, then I value is greater than 5, then it will be decrementing. So we need to write this condition. So once again I am saying here, whenever the number of rows are increasing, these are the rows, and this is the fifth row. If we are considering, this is the fifth row. So if the value is the value of I is greater than or equals greater than 5, then we need to decrement it. If it will be less than 5, we need to increment the star as per this. So we will write this, and here I will be take simply star. So initial value of the star will be 0. Later, after coming into the outer for loop here, I'll be write the condition for this increment and decrement one. So like here we have, if phi is less than I is less than 5, then it will be incrementing. If it will be greater than 5, that will be decrementing. Same thing I will be writing here. If else, if I greater than 5, sorry, if I less than 5, so what we need to do, we need to increment the star plus plus. Else, if the value of I is greater than 5, so the star value need to be decrement, and here we will be print star. I'm just printing star here, and I'm just writing the outer for loop here. I'm just writing a statement for outer for loop which will be responsible to move the cursor to the next line. Let's execute the code and check whether the code is working correct or not. So yes, as per the expected, we will be getting the same output like how we have here. We got the same output. So that's it for the day, guys. If you have any queries, please comment me in the comment box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon to get the further notifications from our channel. Thank you for watching this video.